All right, so here's number 9. We're dealing with linear systems and solving by elimination, but it's going to be a little bit more complicated because we have we don't have any exact inverses. So I'm looking here at number 9, and let's say I wanted to eliminate x. Okay, so I know 6x is on the bottom here. And what is the inverse of positive 6? It's negative 6. So there's a 1 already here. So 1 times what gives me 6? It would be 6. Okay? But in order to have the inverse, it also has to be the opposite. So when I multiply, I don't just multiply by 6. I'm going to multiply by negative 6. And then distribute the negative 6 to everything on the top there. Okay? So if I distribute that 6, I'm going to get negative 6x minus 36y equals 21 times 6. That's going to be a positive 126. Okay, big numbers. We can deal with it. Here we go. Again, the whole purpose of that was to get my inverses or my opposites. Perfect. So I have 0x. 12 plus negative 36 is negative 24y. And then negative 6 plus 126 equals 120. All right. The only thing we have to do here is cross out 0x because that's eliminated. Then we divide by negative 24. And again, if you had a calculator, you could do it. But again, you could just go freehand off to the side. But I know that half of 24 is 12. And 12 times 10 is 120. So that means 24 times 5 is going to be 120. And it's positive divided by negative is a negative. So y equals negative 5. But of course, I'm not done. I have to plug in negative 5. Let's plug it into the middle equation right here. Why not? Okay, so I have 6x plus 12 times negative 5 equals negative 6. So 6x, 12 times negative 5 is negative 60 equals 6. Then I have to add 60 because these are like terms and they're on different sides. So I add 60. And 6x equals 54 divided by 6. And x equals 9. So now I have x, I have y. My x part is 9. My y part is negative 5. And that is my solution to this system. Now again, you could have gone back and solved for, instead of canceling out x to start, you could have canceled out y, and you would have multiplied by negative 2 to cancel out the y's, but I chose to cancel out the x's. On the next one, I'll show you what it looks like to cancel out the y.